Rockets! Welcome to our last week of videos. I'm a little bit sad that this is our last week of virtual PE, but I'm also a little bit happy because that means we're that much closer to seeing each other in real life back at school, which I am so excited for. We're going to go ahead and get started with our workout word of the week. This week's word is violation. A violation in sports is a break in the rules. And so, for example, if you are playing basketball and you're dribbling the basketball down the court, but either you or the ball go outside of the line, that is a violation of the rules. So if you're dribbling, you have to stay inside of the basketball court. If you go outside, that's a violation. All right, we're gonna get started with our violation workout, and we're gonna start with letter V. Okay, V is run to the nearest door and back. I, balance on your left foot for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O, take 15 steps backwards and skip back to your spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. L, touch your toes for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. A, 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. T is 20 bike pedals, where we get on our back and we're going to pedal our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A. I is balance on our left foot again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O again, taking 15 steps backwards and skipping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And in, last one is 10 karate kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As usual, we do have a challenge to go with our workout word of the week. This week, your challenge is to pick your own word. Whatever word you want to spell, you can pick that word, look at the grid that I'm going to put up on the screen, and work out to your own word. My word that I'm going to pick today is flamingo. Flamingos are my favorite animal, so I'm going to work out all of the letters to flamingo. You guys pick your own word and work out to that. Okay, this next game is called Hat Toss. What you need for this game is some sort of chair. I have 3 different kinds of chairs here just to show you some different options. This is a tall chair. It needs to be upside down with the legs up. I have a bar stool, and this is one of my outdoor chairs. They all need to be upside down so that the legs are up. You also need hats. I went around my house and tried to find as many hats as I could, and then that is all you need for today's game. Chairs and hats. You don't need 3 chairs. If you want for this game, you can just use 1 chair. It's up to you. I have 3 chairs just for fun, okay? The object of this game is to stand back just a few feet, and we are going to toss our hats and try to make them stick right here on the legs, okay? That's the object of the game. This is actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, and so I have had to practice a lot today. And so I want you guys, the first thing that you need to do is stand back just a few feet, maybe 5 feet or so, not very far, and just practice tossing your hats and try to get them to stick on the legs, okay? As many hats as you can find. If you can only find 1, that works. Just practice with that 1, okay? Let's get some really good practice in. Okay, after you guys have gotten a lot of good practice in, you feel like you're doing pretty good, you're getting better, you guys, if you want, we can move on to a challenge. What you need is you do need a timer. I'm going to use my iPad right here for a timer. We're going to set it for 2 minutes, and we're going to see how many hats can you get to stick on the legs in 2 minutes. How many can you get? Let's see how many I get. lots of other different challenges you could do with the chairs and the hats. Maybe you pick a chair and you have 4 hats and you see how long does it take you to get 1 hat on each leg. That would be a fun challenge. Maybe if you don't want to do 2 minutes, you want to give yourself 3 minutes or 1 minute to see how many hats you can get on the legs. That would be good too. What other challenges can you come up with for the game Hat Toss? Our last game today is a game called Get the 6. In this game, you will need 1 die, you will need 6 paper plates, each of them needs to have numbers 1 through 6 written on them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the last thing you need is 6 of some sort of item. Today I have 6 cans, canned food cans. If you have 6 stuffed animals, if you have 6 ponytails, 6 of anything, you just need to know where the paper plates need to be set. I'm gonna show you how I set this up real quick and then I'll explain the game. Okay, I have my 1 die in this box right here, and that is where I'm gonna roll my die. And then here I have my paper plates and my cans that have the numbers on them. Again, your item, which in my case is a can, just needs to be set beside each paper plate. You're not gonna move the cans. They are just there so you know where the paper plates need to be. Those are spot markers for the paper plates. It can be any item you want it to be. Also, the distance between the plates can be any distance that you want it to be. Mine is about 1.5 to 2 feet. All right, in this game, Get the 6, the idea of the game is to get all of the paper plates over by your die in the least amount of time possible. So you're gonna roll your dice. I have a box for my die because I can't roll it on the grass, but if you're in your house or if you're on concrete, then you don't need a box. I'm gonna roll my die. Whatever number it lands on, I'm gonna run to that number and take it back to where I started. Then I'm gonna roll again. If I roll a 2, I'm gonna get the 2 and take it back. I'm gonna do that for all the numbers, but here's the catch. If you roll a number that you already have the paper plate to, you have to take it back. So if you roll a 2, you go get the 2 paper plate and put it over there where you started. Then you roll a 2 again, you have to take your paper plate back to where it started. Okay, does that make sense? All right, you can watch me. I'm gonna do it first and then you guys can get started. If you already understand the game, you guys can go ahead and get started right now. I finally got all 6. How long did it take you guys? Okay, that is all we have for PE today. This is our last week of virtual PE. I hope that the next time I see you is next school year in the fall, and I want you guys to be ready to play. Don't forget this summer, play outside, be active, take walks, drink lots of water, eat your fruits and vegetables, and be healthy and ready to go when I see you guys in the fall. Miss you guys.